Hi, welcome back to Silverpouring. In today's video I'm going to be doing some metal casting, turning a 3D print into a solid silver Mortal Kombat hero. Also, coming up a bit later, I do a bonus pour. Let's get into it. Right, so this is pretty much where it all starts. As you can see on the screen here, this is the 3D design. Now this isn't the actual design I got straight from Robert, this is my edited one. I've cut it down and I've took what we needed to do the print. So after we've got it to this stage, the STL file, we've got to put it into Cura to slice it up and get it ready for printing. So here it is in Cura, getting ready to splice it. And all what splice it means is chop it up into very little lines that the printer can understand. So it's all different layers, lines, layers, and then the printer just goes across and prints it out. So there he is. So I'm just configuring it for that, and then once that's done, the print will start. So here we are, here's the long and boring bit. Here's a print. So it's just started off, it just does the outline and then it'll start filling in the middle. As I say, this takes quite a while, so I'm not going to bore you with the details, but yeah, it just flies through, and then as soon as we've got the print, we can get on with the sandcast. So there we are, there's a 3D print, as you can see. I can't, butterfingers can't even hold it. Right, so now's the time, we've got to start doing the sandcast. So first job, as always, we need to get some powder on him. But before I do that, if you look in the back, he hasn't got the hole for the old punched screw. So we've got to drill the hole in him, first job. And this just helps, if you've seen some of my videos before, sometimes they're quite difficult to get out the sand. So this will just let me get it out the sand, because I can screw a screw in the back and pull it out. That's all what that is. There you go, there it is. So onto the sand casting now. As you can see, I'm doing it in the circular flask, just a half. I'm just going to do it open cast pour. So in he goes. We'll whack some powder on him. There you go, trying to get in. He's got some lovely details on his chest. If you see the kind of, I don't know what you'd call it, jacket or top, I don't know what a Sub-Zero, what would you call it? I don't know. Yeah, jacket, top, oh I don't know. I'm not up on the fashion, but there you go. We're just going to do that. He's got his little mask on as well. So there we go, we'll start getting the sand on now. It's such a cool print, such a cool design. Really looking forward to this. So let's get some sand on him and see what kind of impression we can make. Now, I had a little bit of trouble getting him out. And as you see, a bit broke off by his face. But I repaired that. I can repair that. I just put it back in and put some sand in. So here we go. We're on to the pour now. All repaired and ready to go. Here we go. Look at that bad boy. Yeah, look at the flames on that one. Oh, yeah. On the pour cam. Look at this. You having this? Oh. Look at them flames. Look at that. Look at the colours in that. It's just, this has been one of my favourite pours, just this part of it. I got some nice fresh sand, so like full of oil, and it just burnt nice. Look at that. Lovely job, even if I say so myself. Lovely colours. I weren't too bothered how it come out. I just like these colours are amazing. There we go. Oh.
Hey guys, welcome to the Cobra's Den, and here we are after a great live last night where I unboxed 12 boxes of the DC trading coins. This is what I got out of it. Now, just to go through very quickly, if you didn't see it, the green ones are limited mintage, which have mintage of 250. The orange ones are uncommon mintage, which are 150 of each coin. And other people are paying 450, 500, 550 for a sealed box. So when I complete the set of greens, there'll be 10 there worth approximately between 150 and 200. So let's go with the lower figure of 150. That would mean they would be worth 1,500. As a collection, a total collection, maybe 2,000 for the lot. The oranges, you'd get between 200 and 250 probably. So with all 10 of them, let's say at the lower price of 200, once that collection is complete, it will be worth £2,000. The reds, each of them are minimum of £600, so there's 4 of them, that's 2,400. And the extras down the bottom are, let's say at the cheapest price of 150 each, that's another £600. But these two here I've already sold, and I sold them for £2,100 for the 2 coins. So
cheers, Cobra Stacker. Now we're on to the pour, the bonus pour as promised. Now look at this, I've done the full portrait. Nice big chunky pour this. And this is, here we go, I'm just loving this subject at the moment, the old computer characters. So here we go, let's get Sub-Zero in molten silver. Doesn't really go that, but here we go. Sub-Zero incoming. Oh, it's spraying everywhere. Check this out. Look at that bad boy. Oh my god. Finish me now, man. Look at that. Sub-Zero, let's have ya. Ice cold. Let's have your fella. Oh yeah. Now if you've enjoyed this pour, don't forget to check this video out up here. Another quality Mortal Kombat character.
Sub-Zero wins.